In this video, we'll create a more custom input, okay, using block on a Gradio. Okay, let's start. So, should 5 blocks py, and as usual, we need to import Gradio as gr, and we create a function return hello name, and we'll give name as an input, and we'll return str. Okay, and we here will return hello plus name. Okay, and let's call it in the main function. Okay, so in a main we'll be using with, okay, gr. Now we'll be using block to add more customization to our code. Okay, as demo. Okay, and here it's not block, it's blocks. Okay, and name is what we wanted as input. So gr dot text box, and we want label to be name. Okay, after that we want output, that's gonna be text box again. Okay, and label will be output, and we'll create a button. So gr button. Okay, gr dot button, here will write name. Cool. Okay, and let's create what gonna be output when someone clicks a button. Okay, so gr underscore button dot click. Okay, so what it when someone clicks it, what we want it to call return function. Okay, and input gonna be the name, and output gonna be output. Okay, so output, and API name, if you want to give block try. Okay, and closes, and after that what we need to do is called launch. Okay, and let's try cd gradio youth on poetry shell to activate poetry environment, and radio youth 5 block. Okay, so okay, it says me that we don't have a variable input, so it's a inputs and it's an outputs. Now you see it worked fine, and you can see this on 761. Sorry for that. So you can write it here, your name, Samando AI, and you can see we got an output. So this is the way how you can use blocks, okay, of Gradio, and they are very useful to add more customization to your code.